Good morning, kindergartners. Welcome back for another math lesson with me, Miss Harwood. Let's get started with our counting warm-up for today. It's important to practice counting every day to keep our brains growing. I'm going to use our counting beads for today, so remember to say each number nice and loud as I move the beads over by one. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Great job counting with me. Now, over the weekend, I ended up going outside and playing with my niece and nephew. Their names are Hank and Etta. Want to say hi to them really quick? Hi, Hank and Etta. All three of us were playing outside, but in the afternoon, we decided that it was time for a snack. Being the awesome aunt that I am, I let them have cookies. But don't tell their mom that. It's our little secret. I gave them 4 cookies to share. Hank decided that he would eat 2 cookies. So how many cookies do you think Etta had? Do you know the answer? If I gave them 4 cookies and Hank decided to eat 2, how many cookies did Etta have? Let's check your answer. I'm going to draw some circles on this board to help us figure out the answer. I need to first start with 4 cookies because that was our total at the beginning. I'm going to draw 4 cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there's my 4 cookies. Hank ate 2 cookies. So how many cookies am I going to take away from here? 2. I need to take away 2 cookies from my 4 because Hank ate 2 cookies. Ready? 1, 2. All right, I crossed out my 2 cookies that Hank ate, or I took them away. Now that I subtracted or took away 2 cookies, how many are left over? 1, 2. 2 cookies are left over, so that means Etta ate 2 cookies. So the number sentence that I'm going to say is 4, because that's how many cookies we started out with, minus 2, because we took away 2 cookies equals 2, because that's how many were left over. 4 minus 2 equals 2. Thank you so much for helping me solve that problem. I'm glad that Hank and Etta could share those cookies. When we solved that problem, did we use addition or subtraction? Subtraction. So for today's lesson, we'll be using subtraction. So we're going to keep using that subtraction. And our learning target for today's lesson is I can subtract within 5. Just like in our word problem that we just solved, subtract means to take away. When I say within 5, that means we'll only be subtracting numbers between 0 and 5. So we will not be going any higher than number 5. When we subtract different number sentences today, we'll be using our fingers as our strategy to help check our work and to make sure that our learning goes a little bit quicker. So you will not need any materials for this lesson today. So let's get started.
I have a bunch of number sentences written down for us to use today. I will be flipping one at a time over and asking you to shout out the answer as quickly as you can. After I give you a little bit of time to solve it, we will be checking for the answer using our fingers strategy. I'm going to show you how to play this game with the first number sentence. So first, I'll flip the number sentence over, and it says 4 minus 1 equals. I need to solve 4 minus 1 quickly. I already know in a snap that 4 minus 1 equals 3. But if I didn't know, I would quickly show on my fingers by showing the first number, which is 4. And because this is a minus sign, I'm going to take away fingers. So we take away when it's a minus sign. So then I would take away 1 from my 4 fingers. When I take 1 finger away, there are 3 fingers left. 1, 2, 3. That means my answer is 3. So 4 minus 1 equals 3. Then I'm going to move the card off to the side. Now that I've done 1, let's do a bunch together. We're going to try to go super quick through these. Ready, set, here we go. 3 minus 2 equals, let's check your work. First, we hold up how many fingers? 3, because that is the first number in our number sentence. Now, how many fingers are we going to take away? 2 fingers, because our number sentence says to minus or take away. So we have 3 minus 2. Let's take away 2. 1, 2. How many fingers do we have left? 1. 1 finger is left. So our answer is 1. 3 minus 2 equals 1. Here's our next number sentence. 5 minus 3 equals, let's check your answer with our fingers. First, we hold up how many? 5. And we're minusing, so we take away. So we are going to take away how many fingers? 3. We're going to take away 3 fingers. Ready? 1, 2, 3. How many fingers are left? 2. So our answer is 2. 5 minus 3 equals 2. Our next number sentence is 4 minus 3 equals, Let's check your answer. First, we hold up how many fingers? 4. And how many are we going to take away? 3. Ready? Let's take away 3. 1, 2, 3. So what's our answer? 1. 4 minus 3 equals 1. Let's do our next number sentence. 1 minus 1 equals, let's check your answer. How many fingers do we hold up first? 1. So we're going to hold up 1 finger. And how many are we going to take away? 1 finger. We're going to take away 1. We're minusing or taking away. Ready? So we're going to take 1 finger away. Ooh. How many fingers are being held up? None or 0. So our answer is 0. 1 minus 1 equals 0. Any number minus itself or subtracting itself is always going to be 0. Any number minus itself is 0. Right. Let's do our next number sentence. 2 minus 0 equals, let's check your answer. How many fingers do we hold up first? 2. We're going to hold up 2 fingers. Now, how many fingers are we going to take away or subtract? 0. We're going to take away 0 or none. So am I going to put any of my fingers down? No, I'm not going to put any down because when it says 0, we're taking nothing away. So what's my answer going to be? 2. My answer is going to be 2. 2 minus 0 equals 2. So unlike our 1 minus 1, it's the same number being taken away. But 2 minus 0, it's taking nothing away. So it's going to still be itself. It's going to be that 2. All right, our next number sentence is 5 minus 2 equals, let's check your answer. How many fingers are we going to hold up first? 5. We're going to hold up 5 fingers. And how many are we going to take away? 2. We're going to take away 2 fingers from 5. Ready? 1, 2. How many fingers are left over? 3. So our answer is 3. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Here's another one. 3 minus 3 equals, let's check our answer. How many fingers do we hold up first? 3. We're going to hold up 3 fingers first. So here's 3. And how many are we taking away? 3. We're going to take away 3 from 3, and that's going to leave us how many? 1, 2, 3. How many are left? 0. So 3 minus 3 equals 0. Remember, they're the same number, so any number minus itself is going to be 0. Let's do our next number sentence. 4 minus 2 equals, let's check our answer. How many fingers do we hold up first? 4. And how many are we going to take away? 2. 2. We're going to take away 2. So we're going to take away 2 from 4. Ready? 1, 2. How many fingers are left? 2. So our number sentence says 4 minus 2 equals 2. Here's our next number sentence. 2 minus 1 equals, let's check your answer. How many fingers do we hold up first? 2. We hold up 2. And how many are we going to take away? We take away 1. Ready? 1. And how many fingers do we have left? 1. We have 1 finger left. So our number sentence says 2 minus 1 equals 1. Last number sentence, here we go. 5 minus 4 equals, let's check our number sentence. Ready? How many fingers do we hold up first? 5. We hold up 5 fingers first. How many are we going to take away? 4. We take away or minus 4. So we have 5 fingers. Let's take away 4. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many fingers do we have left? 1. Our answer is 1. And our whole number sentence says 5 minus 4 equals 1. Great job solving all those number sentences so quickly. You all are becoming true mathematicians, or that means experts in math. Now that we have done our activity for the day, here is your assignment. You will need to complete these 8 number sentences all on your own. As you are solving them, make sure you use your fingers to check your answer and see if it's right. After you have written these number sentences down on your paper, take a picture of your work and send it to your teacher. We want to see how much of an expert you are when subtracting numbers within 5. So pause this video now, write down these number sentences, and get to work. We can't wait to see all of your amazing number sentences. See you tomorrow.